Hello, thanks for visiting my channel today. Applied Virtual Solutions. My name is May. Today I am presenting to you a company that hires frequently throughout the year. Conduent Inc. is an American business process services company headquartered in Florham Park, New Jersey. The company offers digital platforms for businesses and governments. As of 2020, it has 68,000 employees working across 40 countries: United States, Asia Pacific, Europe, Middle East, Latin America and the Caribbean. At Conduent you'll be a hero to people around the world when they need it most. Career opportunities. As one of the largest business process companies in the world, Conduent manages mission-critical digital interactions at massive scales. And helping some of the most well-known brands and governments stay ahead of rapidly evolving expectations. They offer a dynamic environment, solid benefits, and collaborative culture that lets you map your own future. The average Conduent salary ranges from approximately $20,000 per year for customer service representatives and customer service technicians to $85,440 per year for incident managers. Mission-critical services and solutions offered at Conduent. 1. Commercial healthcare solutions, supporting the commercial healthcare business and helping to reduce emergency visits. Also, reducing hospital time and readmissions for patients while improving efficiencies, saving money and improving compliance for their clients. 2. Transportation solutions, creating personalized experiences for travelers, resulting in faster resolution times and better outcomes. With improved customer satisfaction and improved call time, Conduent reduces costs through optimized processes and through automation and artificial intelligence. 3. Government solutions, driving better results for their clients and their constituents with improved employee experiences, engagement, retirement preparedness and satisfaction. 4. Business process services, optimizing and modernizing administrative tasks and manual processes including digital payments, claims processing, benefit administration, child support, automated tolling, regulatory compliance, or distributed learning to create value for their clients and the millions of customers they serve every day. 5. Customer experience management solutions, turning data into insights for more meaningful interactions across any communication channel. This is while delivering personalized customer service experiences to help clients reduce costs, grow revenue and create more value for their brands and the end users they serve. 6. Human resource services, driving mission-critical, technology-enabled HR services and solutions that improve business processes across the employee journey to maximize business performance, while increasing employee satisfaction, engagement and overall well-being. Conduent relies on the diverse backgrounds, experiences and expertise of their employees to ensure that the Conduent of tomorrow is better than the Conduent of today. Each employee has an inherent responsibility to ensure Conduent business treats all people, colleagues, clients and their customers, with dignity and respect. Across their business groups, they have multicultural teams, bringing diverse perspectives to problem-solving, driving creativity, innovation, and improved decision-making. Benefits: a fun work environment, hourly pay plus monthly incentive plan. Promotion and growth opportunities. medical, dental and vision insurance, paid time off, the opportunity to contribute to a 401k, a variety of shifts available. I will leave the link to Conduent's career page in the comment section. Thanks for joining me today to hear about why Conduent is a great place to work. If this is your first time visiting my channel, subscribe. Then click the bell to get notified of new job openings and other valuable information on working from home. Click the thumbs up to like this video. And most of all, have a nice day.